I don't want the light in her face. I like cover the light a bit. What you doing, baby? What you doing? What's going on? Hi, baby. What you doing? What you doing? Oh, little baby. What you doing? Bye-bye. Oh, it's okay, little baby. You're making little noises. Huh? You're making little noises. What are you making noises for? Hmm? Hmm? What are you making noises for? What you doing? I don't want to look at you directly because then the light's going to go in your face. I'll cover the light a bit. There you go. What you doing? Hi, baby. What you doing? What you doing? You're supposed to be sleeping. You're not supposed to be making noises. What you doing? Huh? What you doing, little baby? Hmm? Oh, I'm here. I'm here. I'm here, my little baby. Yeah. I'm here. Did you get scared? Did you get scared? Hmm? You heard the television going on and you wanted to repeat the TV? Doing your little noises. You gonna go back to bed, baby? Yeah. Good night, my little baby. Gonna go back to sleep? Hmm? Just a little baby. What are you doing? There you go. What you doing? Hi, baby. What you doing? Hi. What you doing, silly bird? Getting sleepy again? Itchy? Can hold my hand while you go and take a nap and go back to bed. I'm here, little baby. Yeah, I'm here. Gonna go back. Gonna go back to sleep. All the shadows in your cage that my light is making, you don't know what's going on. Shadows everywhere. Go back to bed, little baby, okay? Go back to bed. Give me a little paw. Thank you, baby. Gonna go back to bed, my little baby? I know. Okay, we go back to bed.